Hey there, welcome to Cocoa Tales, an adventure for kids.
One day, after heavy rains, a small ant got trapped on a leaf floating in a raging flood. The poor ant cried out for help, but no one seemed to notice. Just as the ant thought it would be washed away, a kind bird flying overhead spotted the struggling ant. Feeling sorry for the little creature, the bird swooped down and gently picked up the ant with its beak, placing it safely on dry land. The ant was overjoyed and thanked the bird with all its heart, promising to repay the kindness one day. The bird smiled but thought to itself, "How could such a tiny creature ever help me?" Days passed and the bird was happily resting on a tree branch. Suddenly, the ant saw a hunter creeping toward the bird with a bow and arrow. The ant quickly realized the bird was in danger. Without wasting a moment, the brave ant scurried toward the hunter and bit his foot as hard as it could. "Ouch!" cried the hunter, dropping his bow and startling the bird. Realizing the danger, the bird flapped its wings and flew away just in time. Later, the bird found the ant and thanked it for saving its life. The ant humbly replied, "You helped me when I was in trouble, and I did the same for you." Even the smallest friends can make a big difference. From that day on, the bird and the ant remained the best of friends, always ready to help each other in times of need. Don't forget to subscribe, please.